This video chart presentation is Sino Payments Inc. It's an OTCQB listed company trading our ticker SNPY. We visited this chart right in through here when it looked positioned to try and make a strong move. Went right up and tested that top end resistance, consolidated, and now it's back on the move. This is going back as a stock to watch again. See if it's going to try and take out that top this time. Quick look at the MACD. Shows the strength that was coming into this. The retrace, bounce right back up to 26 EMA, staying in bull mode, making new higher highs. The PPO is retraced, now it's also ready to make a bullish cross. You see in the histogram, trending back towards zero, now getting ready to break back through. The ADX continues to maintain strength, trending upward, pushing over top of 40. That helps solidify the strength of the chart. When we looked at this last time, MFIs were just starting to make a stronger move, holding up near 80, showing the strength of the money flow. Big drop off in the accumulation distribution. That came during the consolidation. Starting to make a turn, and now what you look for is higher lows to be made again, recover from the sell-off. Shaking money flow is still working its way back towards zero. And what that says is even with the sell-off, buying and selling pressure is relatively equal over the last 20 periods. CCI playing it right along with the rules. Buy point, sell point, made the curl, break back through 100. That's a technical buy point by the CCI. Full still also retraced. Now turning, breaking back through 50. Moving to the upper half of the indicators, a key point to see momentum coming into the play. Trix also reached very high levels. It's resetting itself, and now looking like it's going to curl and drop another buy signal. Of course, a lot of traders don't use all those low indicators. They do give you some hints. They'll just look at the MACD to show the strength of the trend, and they'll look at this RSI to show the strength of the momentum. And again, now for quite a while, RSI is showing a lot of momentum in the play, breaking back through 70, what's often referred to as the power zone, because it's pretty clear even just looking at this, the pops that can come when the RSI breaks through 70. Very large moves happen, and right now this potentially could be at the beginning of another move where it's going to indeed challenge this top. After this move, this still could be referenced as a cup and handle pattern, but I'm not that concerned with that at this point. What I like to see is that it's continually making higher lows. A nice support level set up right there around 3 cents. Strong move up to about 8. Pull back, make a new higher low at 4, and then back on the move. Now what I would still look for in this, on any sort of pullback, I'd look for this nickel mark to hold as an initial breakout point. And if you look short term, you can see right around 5.5 cents. There's actually some more support, but I'm more concerned with holding a nickel to continue to make higher lows if it pulls back. Also on plays that are making strong moves like this, technical traders will look at this pink line. This is a 10-day moving average, and they will trade based on that. When the stock consolidates, pushes back above it, it's a buy and hold. Pull back down, break below it. Somebody would have had been very quick to try and get in and out at that point. It basically held that 10-day moving average and now pushed well above it. So by focusing on this nickel mark, that serves as a good source of static support, as well as holding the 10-day moving average, which is oftentimes a key in momentum plays. There's not a lot of resistance in sight. There's a little bit right there at 6.5 cents. That's where it closed today. It has had a difficult time pushing and ending the day above that, but certainly the key point is going to be back up there around 8 cents. Still a nice percentage gain from where it is, from 6.5 to 8, but in the overall perspective of the chart, trying to break and hold above that puts it into a blue sky breakout. And that will certainly catch the eyes of a lot of technical traders as it's making new 52-week highs. Volume came in at 2 million shares today. You can see that's another strong day, and that's what people will be looking for as well. And for those sort of reasons, this SNPY chart is technically performing very well, and one worthy of keeping on radar to see if the momentum is going to continue and see if it can establish some new highs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the SNPY chart. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.